Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm sharing with you guys how you can treat pigmentation, dark spots, acne scars and hyperpigmentation problem with the help of turmeric and potato. Potato and turmeric both are the natural ingredient which works really well in removing your pigmentation and hyperpigmentation marks from your skin. So potato and turmeric both have anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, antioxidant properties into it, which makes them really superb ingredient to work on your pigmentation and hyperpigmentation marks. The combination of these two ingredients along with other natural ingredients makes this mark supremely powerful to remove all your pesky marks and the stubborn marks which are there on your skin, and it will make your skin really spotless, clear, glowing, bright and even toned. This home remedy will also remove all your suntan and sunburn problem and will also help in clearing out your skin. It's also an anti-aging mask, so it will also fade away all your wrinkles and fine lines and will give you an ageless, clear, spotless, glowing and a bright looking skin. So now to prepare this home remedy, we firstly gonna need 2 potatoes, and here I'm just taking these 2 potatoes and cutting them into half and then chopping them into small pieces. And after nicely chopping them, I'm just putting them into a blending jar. And now we'll use rose water, and here I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of rose water into it, and now we just have to blend it really nicely to make a smooth paste out of it. And after nicely blending this all out, your homemade potato paste is ready. This paste should be really smooth and lump free, and we'll use this paste to make our homemade pigmentation and dark spots removal face mask. And we'll use this paste to make our potato face mask. So now let's see how to prepare this pigmentation, dark spots, acne scars and hyperpigmentation removal turmeric and potato face mask. So to prepare this face mask, we firstly gonna need that potato paste which we just made, and here I'm just taking 2 tablespoons of this potato paste in a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need turmeric powder, and here I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder into it. After that, you're gonna need honey, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey into it. And lastly, we are going to need lemon, and here I'm just squeezing half lemon into it. And now after adding the lemon, we just have to give a good mix to all these ingredients so that they could mix with each other nicely and makes a smooth paste. And after mixing all these ingredients really well, your homemade pigmentation, dark spots, hyperpigmentation and acne scars removal face mask is ready and will look something like this. And the consistency of this face mask will be a little runny, like I'm showing you in the video. So this face mask is perfect for the people who have pigmentation and hyperpigmentation marks on their skin. This face mask has potato, which is an excellent skin bleaching ingredient. It helps to treat your pigmentation and hyperpigmentation marks from your skin. It provides relief to your sun damaged skin and removes the suntan completely from your skin. It has anti-inflammatory, anti-aging and antioxidant properties into it, which improves your skin complexion and makes it lighter, brighter and tighter. It brightens your skin tone and makes it even and removes all the pesky marks or the stubborn dark spots which you have on your skin. Potatoes also helps to reduce inflamed acne and the acne scars from your skin. It is also rich in vitamin C. So potatoes are a really good ingredient for your skin. It helps to treat all kinds of skin problem and works very effectively. Now turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components. It provides glow and luster to your skin. Turmeric also helps to revive your skin by bringing out its natural glow. It is an excellent ingredient to remove your pigmentation and hyperpigmentation. It also works great on your dark spots and acne scars and reduce all the aging signs which you have on your skin. Now honey is a natural humectant which brings in all the moisturization and hydration into your skin and makes your skin supremely glowing and moisturizing. And last but not the least, lemon is really good for your skin. Lemon helps in skin bleaching, it helps you lighten and brighten your skin tone, it removes all the suntan which you have on your skin. It also works really great in removing the pigmentation, hyperpigmentation and dark spots permanently from your skin. So now let's see how to use this face mask for best results. So you can use this face mask with the help of a brush, or you can even use your fingertips to apply this face mask. And here I'm just using a face brush to apply an even layer of this face mask all over my skin. And after applying this face mask nicely onto my skin, I'm just going to leave it like that for around 15 to 20 minutes so that it can work effectively. And after 15 to 20 minutes, I'm just going to rinse it off using normal water and then pat and moisturize my skin. And after using this face mask, just make sure that you don't go into the sun for at least 5 to 6 hours. And for the best results, you have to use this face mask twice or thrice in a week. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.